Next-Gen Binance Gateway. Connect crypto liquidity to your platform. Get access to 180+ futures crypto pairs. Are you ready to take your trading game to the next level? Look no further than Next-Gen Binance Gateway. Say goodbye to switching between multiple platforms and hello to a streamlined trading experience. Binance Gateway is a bridge that allows traders to connect their MetaTrader accounts with Binance's trading engine through an application programming interface (API). Through the API, MetaTrader sends trade orders and receives real-time market data from Binance's trading engine. Binance's trading engine processes the trades and returns execution results to MetaTrader through the API. This integration enables traders to access Binance's liquidity and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies directly from the MetaTrader platform. Why wait until Monday to start trading? With Fix, you can trade 7 days a week. Join the millions of traders who rely on Fix to power their electronic trading and experience the future of finance today.